Hello guys, today we going to see how to download and install Python on your Windows or your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to Google and search for download Python. So you want to be running the latest version of Python. So sorry about my connection. So we go to official website. So we got the latest version, which is 3.8.2. So click on that. Have the installer here. Click on that and we wait for it. So it's gonna be downloaded in like 10 seconds. And you wanna be following me. So there you go. Click on it and wait. So you want to click on this so you can run Python from your CMD. So click on that and you click on install now. So here we go guys, just finishing the installation. So all we need now is to close this and go to our CMD. I have the icon there, but I will be looking for it for you. So we go here in command prompt. So what you want to do here is write Python. Should be in your pad. You can just use it from here. Just write something. So we're gonna be saying hi word instead of hello world. So as you can see, it's working properly. And you either can use from here as well. Let's find out. Okay, here's it. You can use it from here as well. And if you are looking to learn Python, I mean not to learn Python, to install Python, should be already know what are you doing, right? You can see you can use from here as well. Okay, don't see that. There you go guys. Okay, that's it for their video. Hope it was good for you. Enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Another video.